In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save voice messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, I need to say that voice message can be in any messages application like iMessage, WhatsApp, Telegram. It doesn't matter, because the way we'll save it will be the same for any application. So here on Telegram I got a voice message, and now we need to save it, and the only way to do so on an iPhone without using any third-party apps is just make a screen recording video and save it to the camera roll. So guys, first off we need to head over to settings. Once it is done, we need to enter Control Center, and then we need to ensure the screen recording tool located at the included controls box. If it is not, now I'm gonna delete it, and if it is not, we need to scroll down and search for it in more controls. Once we find one, we need just to tap at the plus sign next to it, and it will be immediately added to included controls. Now we can hop out settings, head over to our voice message, and then we need to swipe down from the top right corner to activate Control Center. That's where screen recording tool is located, so we need to tap on it, and after a 3 seconds countdown it will start recording our screen. Now guys, all we have to do is just tap at that message, and then we need to wait until it finish playing. After that we can stop screen recording. It says that recording saved to photos, so now we can head over to photos. That's where our screen recording located, and now we can trim unnecessary parts. So to do that, tap at edit, and now we can trim it a bit from the start. So we can trim all the part before we tap at play button in that way, and also we can trim it at the end, just like so. To save the changes, tap at done and then save video. Basically guys, that's how we can easily save any voice message, any audio message on an iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.